Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are gonna see how to install Windows 11 without USB drive on your PC. First, open any web browser, search for Windows 11, click on the first link, scroll down, click on the drop down menu, select Windows 11. Before you begin, make sure you meet these requirements. Select download now. Choose any language you want. I am going to select English. Select confirm. Click on 64-bit download. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm just gonna skip it. Open the file location. Double click on the file. Select open. Double click on setup.exe. Click yes. Select next. Select accept. Windows is checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Change what to keep. You can select nothing. Everything will be deleted, including your files and apps. I'm gonna keep personal files and apps. Then select next. Select install. Windows 11 is now installing on your PC. Wait for the installation process to be completed. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button.